Well, hello, YouTube. It is me, Tri-State EDC. It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve morn, and we've got a package. A little Christmas gift to moi. Maybe, I don't know. It's from Ryan. I just showed my address. Future me, blur that. It's from Ryan, aka Mr. Cheezel. I've had it for a few days, have not had time to open it. You know, doing family stuff, Christmas stuff. We're gonna bust in here, see what's going on together right now. That's right, Ryan, my boy. Thank you so much. We're gonna use this little pea shooter. Boom! The Concept Osprey. Nailed it. Nailed it. I love this little hawkbill, man. It is a great package opener. What do we have? What do we have? No way, no shot. I'm loving it. That was really loud. No way. What? Wait, is this a smaller one? No, it's definitely the same size. Okay. I loved in there. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Yeet. Okay, but we're going to give this away. This is going to get given away. Because, Ryan, my boy, someone beat you to it. Someone beat you to it. Hell yeah. So one of these, this says Frenzy 2. What's the difference? Frenzy 2? Are they different? I don't know. Where's the that just says, that says Frenzy 2. That also says Frenzy 2. They're the same thing. Same knife. Just did a video on this. Yeah, same knife. This is great. Cheezel, someone's going to be very pumped. G10 stainless liners. Big old freaking Warney sword in S35VN. I love it. I love it. I've already done a video on this, so I'm not going to spend a ton of time on this. I have other things to open. But Ryan, Mr. Cheezel, thank you so much. We'll give one of these away. Probably the one I haven't used, aka yours. Sign me up. Sign me up, dude. These things are nuts. And they're so fun to use. So fun to carry. Something about it. It tickles my inner child in a non-creepy, non-sexual way. There's no coming back from that statement. Mr. Cheezel, shout out in the comments down below. So let me grab another box real quick. Okay, well this one weighs about 16 pounds. And it's from a guy named Matt. Matt Fay. Boom. Boom. You know, we're going to use this to open it just because it's a big box, big knife. You know? Jesus Christ. I'm pumped that I get to give one of these fucking things away. Matt! Is this your entire... This is goat. Is this goat? No. Is this goat? Goat, is this you? Oh my God, we got a freaking laundry list of knives. I'm gonna be a busy boy going into the new year, boys. This is all taped up. What the hell is going? It's all taped up. Lord Jesus, making me work and stuff. Oh my God, return label, very nice, Matt. Thank you, man. Okay, alright, don't worry, it's thoroughly taped. Everybody shush, leave me alone. It's so early, I just woke up. Huge box of knives. Yeah, I'd say so. Android Goat. Android Goat. I just had to make sure. I'm pretty sure it was Android, but it's Android. Android Goat, you absolute G unit of a man, I tell you what, boy. Where do we even begin? Where do we even begin, dude? I gotta keep all this shit straight. I gotta keep all this stuff straight. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. What the hell, dude? Dude, it's a bunch of shit I've wanted to check out, too. This one. All right, box goes down. God bless. We have a Bestech pouch. This is a Bestech. I've been dying to get my mitts on. Dying. And I'm kind of afraid to open this because I'm afraid I'm going to like it too much. I'm afraid I might love it, in fact. This is the new, holy shit, it's huge. Bestech Clastic. Future me. Designer, custom designer, super talented, custom maker. Yeah, full titanium frame lock. This is a primo Bestech. We're talking primo here. Primo materials. Look at this. Swedge. I see a machine satin. Titanium pocket clip, titanium backspacer, tons of internal milling to keep the weight down, magnet cut on the blade, thumb studs, front flipper. What a thing. Size comparison real quick. Yeah, bigger than a Pair 3, probably PM2 size, right? Yeah. Maybe just a hair longer than a PM2 closed. Not small. Not small by any means. Let's pop her open. Dude, look at this blade. It reminds me a lot of the Cybertrix, which is one of my all-time favorite knives. I love that knife by Reich, the Reich Cybertrix. What do I even call this? Poon, Tonto, sheep's foot, reverse Tonto. It's a hybridization of like 6 different blade shapes, and I'm so here for it. A really thin lock bar. Very interesting. Like I said, tons of internal milling. Steel lock bar insert, very good. Lockup, solid. What a thing. What a thing. I had a nice conversation with Bestech. Is that coffee grounds? What the hell? Had a nice conversation with Bestech the other day about working with them more in 2025, and they agreed. So hopefully we see a lot more Bestechs on the channel, especially some more higher-end Bestechs on the channel going into the new year. I'm looking forward to it. I love Bestech. They made my knife, for Christ's sake. But there you go, open size comparison, longer than both. Just a hair, not a hair, like a decent amount longer, half an inch or so longer than a PM2. So yeah, it's got some length on her, dude. She's a long one. Ergos in hand. Yeah, pretty skinny handle, but easy 4-finger grip, nice and long and slender. Thumb nestled in behind that poon, choke up, that feels great. No hot spots, no pinch points. Really nice ergonomic lines, really locks you in place. Feels good. No finger choil. We have a sharpening choil. So right about here, thumb way out on the blade. That feels good as well. I'm locked and loaded. Feels good. No problems. Pinch grip on this thing? I can. I'm going to give that like a 75%. How about the old pencil grip here? Sure, all day. Pencil grip feels really good. Use that real fine tip. Write your name in cursive, baby. Hit them with the pencil grip. Very good. Yeah, ergos are nice. No issues at all there. No hot spots. No nothing. Very, very good. Very wild looking knife. Flat grind, by the way. Magnet cut on that blade. Action on bearings. Oh, yeah. Detent is one. It's been a while since I've reviewed a Bestech branded, like a higher end Bestech branded knife. They're so good. Thumb flick is exceptional. Reverse flick, beautiful. Front flipper, no issues. Action all around. Works exceptionally well. I got no problems here. All day. Sit here and do this all day. Yeah, that's really good. Is this on skiffs? It's so smooth, dude. Holy crap. I don't think it is. I think those are the stock bearings. That's so smooth. Oh, damn, girl. Damn. Yeah, action's exceptional. Good acoustics. Makes good noise. Wonderful. Splendiferous. We gotta cut something, dude. Magnet cut. Crazy reverse Tonto poon sheep's foot situation going on. I don't know what to call this. Really nice tall flat grind. Relatively, it's standard. I'd call that blade stock thickness standard. That's the number we're gonna go with. Standard issue. It's not really thin. It's not really thick. It's right down the middle. But I'm betting you she'll cut. Let me grab some paper real quick. Down to my last magazine page. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All day. She'll do it, baby. She'll do it for you. God bless. Yeah, I really like this. I have come so close to buying one of these for my own collection. I still might. That's really damn good. The Bestech Clastic, designed by Future Me. I keep wanting to say HMC, but I don't think that's what it is. HMC. Future Me designer name. Thank you so much. Links down below. Grab them for yourself. Android Goat, thank you so much. It's Christmas Eve. I wasn't planning on working this much, but screw it. I'll open some boxes. Try and stop me. Thank you for watching. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching again. Bye-bye now.